Hey there, I'm Dan Turchin, PeopleReign CEO, and I'm excited to help you get certified as an AI leader. Join me the week of July 25th for a dynamic, mostly self-paced course that will have you ready to define, lead, and cost justify your first AI initiative. Topics we will cover in the course include: what is AI? Why does it matter for your business, and why now? What's the future of work, and how can you help your organization get there faster? What's the anatomy of an AI initiative, from data to deployment to adoption, and of course to metrics? How can you achieve what we call level 4 maturity by using AI to deliver business value? I can't wait to help you get started the right way. This is a subject I'm passionate about, and I'm pretty certain that you will be too when you understand the power of AI to make humans better at work. Nothing's required but a few hours of your time and a real desire to learn and share. Become an AI leader, define the next chapter in your career, inspire others, and change lives. I hope you join me the week of July 25th.